How to update your LinkedIn profile using AI, because our last two videos are completely dependent on LinkedIn profile. So this one is for updating your LinkedIn profile. Let me show you how. Go to your LinkedIn profile, take the screenshot of it, make sure to cover max of the content, copy the image, go to the Gemini, paste one prompt and paste the image, and don't forget to select the tool as create images. You can see that it circles out all the improved areas. Do the same thing on Claude, paste the image with the same prompt, and this will let you know that where are the areas where need to be improved. No one can roast your profile better than Gemini, and I mean, this is the best way to improve your LinkedIn profile. And the same thing you can do with your resume, your landing page, your website, and yeah.